This is a rag that we've been blotting out the pen. It's the first day we ever used our carpet, and that's what happened. But it's okay because we found the solution. Rubbing alcohol will take pen out of your new carpet. So let me see if I can show you the spot. It was really bad yesterday, but let's look at it. This is a tiny remainder of one of the spots. And then I wish that I had a before picture. The only thing I can say is that everything that's on this rag was on our carpet, and it was very dark blue. Okay, it's right there. It's barely visible. Thank the heavens for that. But all you do is pour or squirt. Let's see. Oh shoot, I just lost it. Where'd it go? Right there. All you do is pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it. Let's see if I can find a white spot on this rag. So it's a white spot. Just press into it. Look at this. Isn't it funny that this happened the very first day we got this carpet? It's really funny. Hilarious! And you can see that it's pulling up some more purple. Right there. So we're just going to keep trying our best to get it to come all the way out, and I really feel like it's working. If your pen explodes on your carpet, now you know how to fix it. And we're still kind of living in a little bit of chaos. That's okay. It's alright. That's life. So I hope this video helped you. Good luck.